Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen that successfully we have persist the username and password in our application. Somewhere else we have saved this, and without asking login and password again and again, automatically we log into the information. But the problem was that it's showing a login screen first, and after showing the login screen, then automatically it go to the main screen. So we want to hide this login screen. In place of login screen, we want to add the splash screen, so that on the splash screen we can decide that whether we want to log in or we want to go to the main screen. For that, we create one new screen here in ToDo directory. I create here one more activity or one screen. I say splash.tsx. Remember, I say rnfes. This is my splash screen. So in this splash screen, I say ToDo app like this, and here I say activity indicator, and we just import this also, activity indicator. Save this. I say size of this is large one, and I save this. And remember that this screen should be the first screen, so I open my stack screen also. So in this stack screen, I say splash screen we have undefined like this. Save this, and under this I need here also, so I say it is a splash screen, and here I want to import a splash screen. Save this. So I want to make this splash screen as my first screen. Save this, and I restart this application, and you will see that splash screen would be my first screen now. Yes, indicator is coming that it loading something, and we have a splash screen. So I remove this. I open a splash screen. From the splash screen we will go to the next screen also. So here I import type native stack screen props, and then I import screen type also. This screen type I import. Then I create a type. I say prop type equal to native screen props, and here I pass a screen type, and I pass my screen splash also like this way. Here I need a navigation, and I put the props type, so I have navigation also. So I will go to the navigation screen, but for that I should design something here first of all, then I will go there. So I say style equal to styles dot container, and here I say style equal to styles dot heading. So I try to design this little bit. So I say container, I say flex is 1, justify is center, alignment of item is in center. Save this. So we are in the center. Then I say heading of this is font size, I say it is 40. I say font weight should be bold. Then I say the color of this is green, you see, and I say the margin from the bottom should we have 20. Yes, okay, flash skin is there. And then I need one function is called use effect. Under this function or hook, I need to decide what I have to do. So here I called set timeout function that will call, the function is called get user, and this function will be called after 3 seconds. Where is the function? This function we have in ToDo. Remember that Earlier we had some problem also because of this function, and have this function now. Yeah, we have in login. Because of login we had a problem. This is the function, so I need to delete this because no need of this. Why? Because we are using this function in the splash screen. So I cut it from here and I paste this function here. Save this. Now async storage I need, so I just make copy of this, remember that, and I paste this here. So I'm using a splash screen here to decide this. You see that automatically we are going and reaching to this, but we will see the later on error. So login, we have this. Now we have a splash screen. So under the splash screen we have a get user. This user is checking that login is available or not. If it is available, then we go to this. Otherwise we have to navigate to the login screen. So we say replace and we go to the login, and here we have to pass the title also, because this login on that time is giving some problem. But now we will go to the login screen, you see, and this is the get user. Call this function here like this. You see that after 3 seconds we call this function. This function will see that if it is already login or not, and it will go to the screen. So now once again I try to refresh it. You see it coming, and after 3 seconds it will decide that we have to go to the main screen because it's not log out. So once I log out, then it will go to the login screen. Remember that. Now I restart it once again, and it will check whether we have to go to the login screen or the register screen. You see it will decide, and it will go to the login screen. Remember that login screen is open now. So if you want to register any user, go to this, registration will open, register here. If you already registered like me, then go to login screen, and here you log in with same username and password like this, login, and you will reach to the here as a user you have login, the information is preserved. Once again if I restart the application, and you will see that from the splash screen directly we will go to the main screen. You see splash screen running, and we decide that we have to go to the login on the main screen. So login, because already we have login and we have saved the information, we have preserved the information, persistency is available for the user, we have not log out. So you see now this application is working like a professional application. So in these 5 to 6 videos I have tried to explain you that how you can make a professional application step by step, how you can add your requirement to your application, whatever you require. So with the help of ToDo app, I tried to make you sense that how to develop an application in React Native with all the necessary requirement like splash screen, like persistency in application, like database handling, like real-time database. So many things I have tried to explain you in this application, and we will see you in next applications also in the future. If you learn something from this project or ToDo app, and you like this video and other videos also, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.